You might not know Kurt Dammeier, but you should know Beecher's Handmade cheese, the company he founded in Seattle that is pretty much nationwide now. It's the most important ingredient in Oprah Winfrey's favorite macaroni and cheese. So you might be wondering, why did we ask him for a steak taco recipe? Well, Kurt also happens to own one of the largest Wagyu beef ranches in the United States. For this recipe, we used Beecher's flagship cheddar. Kurt likes to use Beecher's Just Jack, which is like a classic Monterey Jack, only a little bit creamier.